how long it takes for me to brush my teeth. You don't want me to say it. Ants and cockroaches.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Nurturing the young roots grows a strong tree. Foundation for community. Young roots grow a strong tree. Foundation for community, yeah.
It's the beach, the trees, Mother Earth is to hug trees. Run in rain, jump in rain puddles, grow vegetables, play in the seawater, and splash around with my sister at the beach. Collect shells. I like to grow plants. I like one for you. Summer? The tiny baby one. For you. Is bugs. Spiders? No, they're scary. Like redbacks. It kills you. I went back down. There'll be no sticks to have fun with. We will have no flowers to smell. There's no animals if we don't look after nature, and no food for us to eat. If we pick all the shells, like all 155 million shells on the beach, there'll be nothing left for everyone. It will be so sad and boring. What are plants for? They can stay alive. We should throw rubbish in a bin. We should buy a compost. We can turn off the taps when we're brushing our teeth. The reason why we're not allowed to play with water is because that's wasting water, and then we won't have anything to drink. That's all I know. Okay, I'm done.